Double-layer K-type prefabricated house installation. Step 1. Installation of ground system. Place the ground beams on the already leveled ground. Conduct diagonal measurements and ground leveling. Fix them with expansion screws. Step 2. Installation of first floor frame. Arrange and install corner columns. Install gable columns and column brace. Install gable beam on gable columns. Install front and rear columns, then install floor beam. Install column brace, floor purlins and ending gable. Step 3. Installation of walkway system. Install walkway brackets. Install platform posts. Platform bracket. Steel stair. Handrail. Finally, lay the walkway boards. Step 4. Installation of roof frame. Install ring beams, roof truss, column brace and horizontal brace. Install roof purlins. Step 5. Installation of exterior enclosure system. Install wall panels, windows and doors. Step 6. Installation of floorboard. Step 7. Installation of canopy system. Install canopy bracket, canopy panel, and canopy support. Step 8. Installation of roof system. Step 9. Installation of interior wall. Thanks for watching.